Welcome everyone! Here is how to use the visual intelligence in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So with the newer iPhone models, there's this camera button, and if you long press this one, it opens visual intelligence. However, iPhone 15 Pro Max does not have this camera button, but still supports the feature. So how do we activate it? Well, first of all, let's start by opening up our settings. Then I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. In this one, we first need to turn on the Apple Intelligence. Now, I have this error here saying that my iPhone language is set to English US, but Siri is set to English United Kingdom. So if you're not seeing the on toggle, check under Siri request language, if we tap into this, that it's set to the correct country. So I'll set that correct and I get the toggle immediately. You also will need to check under general and then look for language and region and just make sure region is set correctly as well, and also set your language correctly, and also under keyboard use the correct keyboard. When all that aligns, you will have the toggle for Apple Intelligence, and we first need to make sure this is turned on, and I'll wait for the download to complete. Would like to quickly note as well, if you don't have this toggle, software updates do introduce Apple Intelligence support for more countries, so just update your software. If still not working, then you'll just have to wait for Apple Intelligence to release for your country or region. After Apple Intelligence is fully set up, we can now go from the home screen and we're going to swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen. Once we've done this, I want you to tap the plus button at the top left and then just choose the add a control option. In this one, we're going to scroll down and we should have under Apple Intelligence the visual intelligence option. And so we can tap this one to add it, and we can just reorganize it where we want, and we'll tap the empty space to close. So instead of using camera control, we now just go into the control center, we tap the visual intelligence toggle, and then it will bring us into visual intelligence just like that. Super easy, super cool. Now the way this feature works is if I open it up, you just take a picture of something, and then you can either tap search to use Google to find matching images, or we'll ask AI and it will tell you what it is, just like that. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.